morning, it's Henley's Happy Trails. Welcome to another sunrise in Minnesota. It is about 32 degrees outside, so it's going to be a cold day. We are a man down because my dad has a cold. I have a little bit of one myself, and I believe Natalie's getting over one, so it's the cold season. Hopefully all goes well.
So both piles are getting really close to the scale house, and throughout the day trucks were just trickling in and out of O'Mara piling station. I think we ended up having about 380-ish trucks coming in and out. So the initial temperature was close to freezing, and our foreman and agriculturalist jumped into that yellow chopping tower. And as trucks were coming into the piling station to initially get weighed, they would sample some of those beets, chopping off the top part to make sure that they were not frozen. That can cause a lot of rot.
I got them here. I got good answers.
Okay, so the questions were, well, first introduce yourself.
Yeah, I don't want to be interviewed.
Who are you?
I'm Josh Kosu. I'm a foreman at O'Mara.
And so you're a foreman at O'Mara.
That's right, I'm a foreman at O'Mara.
What exactly does a foreman do?
Foreman, got my sunglasses on here. I don't want to be.